Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up shipping and delivery settings in Shopify. If you are running an online store, getting your shipping settings right is crucial to ensure a smooth checkout experience for your customers. Let's dive into it. First of all, let's start with accessing the shipping settings. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on the left hand side, click on settings, then click shipping and delivery. Here you can manage all your shipping settings, including shipping zones, rates, carriers, and shipping methods. Shipping zone determine where you will ship your products. Shopify allows you to create custom zones to target specific regions, countries, or even states. In the Shopify and in the shipping and delivery settings, scroll down to shipping zone, then add shipping zone, then add more countries or region in market, then add market and choose from here. Choose the countries and regions you want to ship to. For example, you can select United States, Canada, or individual countries across the globes. You can also create custom zones like North America or even specific states in the US. Once your zones are set, you can configure the shipping rates for each region. Next, let's talk about shipping rates. Go back to settings and the shipping and delivery tab, then click add rate. From here, select set up your own rates, shipping rates, custom rate name, custom delivery description for then price, then click done. Carrier calculated rates. If you are using a shipping carrier like USPS, FedEx, you can choose uh, you can choose carrier calculated rates. Shopify will automatically pull live rates based on your product's weight and the customer's location. Click add rate, then select use carrier calculate rates. Choose your carrier such as USPS or Canada Post. To use carrier calculated rates, you will need a Shopify plan that includes it, such as basic Shopify or higher. Free shipping. Want to offer free shipping on certain conditions? Click add rates, select free shipping. Add any necessary conditions like free shipping on orders over $50. Now, let's go over local delivery and local pickup options. Click Setup, then choose your location and toggle it on. Now let's make your shipping experience even smoother with delivery time windows. In your shipping and delivery settings, scroll down to delivery time windows. Choose the days and times customers can expect deliveries. For example, orders placed by 12 p.m. ship same day. Delivery within 3 to 5 business days. Display these details on your cart page or checkout so customers know what to expect. This transparency builds trust and improves the shopping experience. Next, consider adding shipping insurance to your orders. Scroll to the shipping insurance section in your shipping address settings. Enable insurance through Shopify or a third-party app like Route. Offering insurance provides peace of mind for your customers, especially for high-value items. Before going live, always test your shipping settings, add a product to your cart and go to checkout. Enter an X address to test if the correct shipping rates appear. Double check if your shipping zones, delivery windows, and rates are applying correctly. If anything seems off, go back to your settings and tweak them until it's perfect. Once your shipping setup is complete, don't forget to communicate your policies clearly. Make sure to update your shipping page with accurate shipping costs, delivery times, and policies, and add this information to your FAQ section as well. Transparency is key to building customer trust and reducing cart abandonment. And that's how you set up shipping and delivery settings in Shopify. By customizing shipping zones, rates, and delivery options, you can create a seamless experience for your customers, increasing both satisfaction and sales. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need help setting up specific shipping features. Thanks for watching and happy selling.